Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today we are going to see an exciting formula of floor. What is meant by floor? Floor is our basement or like the area which is having the lowest part. To understand, to give a basic understanding, floor is a vice versa of the ceiling formula. If you are not aware what is ceiling formula, we have uploaded the previous video for a ceiling. If you are not seen the video of ceiling or the other previous formulas which we have uploaded, we have provided the link in description. Please do watch it. Don't skip a video. This video we are going to explain what is floor formula and how it is differentiated from ceiling. Let's jump into the video. Don't waste the time. So here we have calculated the we have copied the data from the ceiling and now we are using the floor formula. Just press equal to and floor. You can see there is called number. I'm just clicking this particular number and significant. I'm selecting the nearest again, clicking the enter. So you can get the value of 0. What I'm doing is I'm just pressing it down. I'm just changing the value to 2, okay, to understanding it. So you can see in the floor formula, right? Let's unhighlight everything. Yeah, now it's better. So if you see in the floor formula, floor is number is 1 and nearest is 2, but it's giving 0. Why? Because there is no lesser value of 2. See, if you see here, 2's lowest value is 2, but if you see 3, the lesser value is 2 because it's giving you the nearest lowest value to the particular number which you are providing. If you see the ceiling, it's completely vice versa of the floor. 1, the nearest value which we have selected is 2. It is giving 2 because it's giving the highest nearest value, but floor will give you the lowest nearest value. Suppose if I change the value to 3 for your understanding, you can see it is 0 0, but here it is showing 3. Why? Because the highest nearest value to the number which we have provided for 1 is 3, but in the floor the lowest number which is nearest to the 1 is 0 because it is not divisible by the number which we are giving. 3 is divisible by 3, so this is giving the lowest value as 3, but 4 is divisible by 3, but we have the remainder, but it's giving us 3. 6, yes, it is divisible by 3, so you can get the 6. The lowest value is 6, but the opposite of the floor is ceiling. You can see 1, but highest value to the 1 is 1 of 3 is 3. This is how the floor is working. The difference is also the same. You can see ceiling will give you the highest nearest number to the number which you are giving, and floor will give you the lowest significant value for the number which we are providing into the particular column. Hope you have understood this video of floor and what is the difference between the floor and ceiling. If you have not, if you have still have some query, please do post your query in comment section. We will answer you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.